Welcome to the podcast. Once you've boarded your flight and landed in Spain, your move does not stop. It simply shifts into a managed execution phase. At that point, the most important elements should already be in place. Decisions have been made. Instructions are documented. Access has been coordinated. Responsibilities are clearly defined. From there, the process runs on structure rather than proximity. Packing and pickup can proceed with authorized contacts in place. Inventories are confirmed. Documentation is recorded. Communication continues through established channels. Freight coordination and transit management do not depend on where you physically are located. Once your shipment is on its way, updates and coordination happen through communication, not supervision. Custom preparation is another area that causes unnecessary worry. Documentation does not require you to be in the same country as your shipment. What matters is accuracy, completeness, and alignment with your residency status. When these elements are handled correctly, your relocation progresses predictably, even if you are already settled into temporary housing in Spain. Many clients discover once they arrive in Spain and focus on housing, registration, daily life, their anxiety decreases. The move continues, but it no longer consumes every hour of their attention. If you're preparing to leave before your shipment has fully moved through the process and you want reassurance, call 844-651-7050 to speak with a relocation specialist or visit our website to plan your transition carefully.